Kumshibinta kajinkan burom yaka World Human Rights Day kabajipan long manlaw snem halor ka nongrim ban pensapriang kajing pensngotho halor ka hok long brio man brio hakiru kam bapher na kalyang ka West Janta Hills District Police Jowai ringkat ka District Legal Services Authority West Janta Hills District hinne kasngi kilapin long kajing pensngotho hamintong District Library balawan banishiminta deki khna school bapher Kani kajing kynmaw burom kalong ru shibanta ka azari ka amrit motsav ne kajing lekmin ye kajing dap nyo pasan snem kajing yo lat lot kari. U Public Prosecutor West Janta Hills ULS Umbon haba ajing kren halor kapang fundamental status, economic, social and cultural rights in the Indian Constitution ulapin ngawru iki tukat ni ki hok long brio man brio kumbala kadaw ha ki article bapher jong kariti senshar kari.
Day-to-day activities, we are using them as medium of our day-to-day activities. Like students in your studies, you use mobile phone to get notes, to get the explanation from your teachers, to get everything from your teachers as per the needs of your studies because of this coronavirus. And I must say that the cyber crimes is on the rise now. It's on the rise now. We recently we have just checked the data in Meghalaya, and the crimes according to that statistics, Meghalaya, there has been a sharp surge of these cyber crimes, and I am in charge of this cyber cell also in our district. Every day we used to get FIRs which are forwarded from different police stations where women, where children, where kids were misused by these fraudsters or these people who are committing cyber crimes. Recently we got two cases where one person he steal the photo of one girl from a district. He steal the photo from her Instagram, and then what did he do? He changed it. He edited it with some new pictures. The head is of that girl from a district, but then only the head is of that girl, but then the other page has changed everything, and then naked picture, nude picture. Then she wrote to us that to find out that person, and then to make sure he deleted. In that process of, so you can understand now what is cybercrime. Crimes which are committed to using of internet, using of mobile phones and all the gadgets. So what shall we do as students, as people of today's generations? We are very vulnerable to fall prey in such kind of crimes. Every day, I must say, on all the crimes which are committed by people, every day we are registering case in police stations, and all the cases almost involve cyber crimes. They are using mobile phones, using internet to commit crimes. So there are different types of
First speaker will be from the girls, students, right after this video.
fundamental rights, which are right to equality, which is enshrined in Article 14 to 18, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22, right against exploitation, 23-24, and right to freedom of religion, which is enshrined in Article 25-28, cultural and educational rights, Article 29-30, and right to constitutional remedies. This is enshrined in Article 32 and Article 226. But however, I will not be speaking elaborately on all these rights. I will just speak, which I have been designated to speak as such on behalf of economic, social, and cultural rights.